Here's a targeted dash attack that uses some common vector math. This will highlight when and why to use these nodes in a real gameplay scenario. The basic setup is an enemy to test it against, and a character, using the third-person template here, with a sphere collision component. Begin overlap, end overlap here, and saving our target. Then dash, check best target, that's valid, after which get the direction, and here's one of the first vector math function, normalize. The difference between the two vectors get you something like go this way and this far, and then normalize is like go this way, but I'll decide later how far or how fast. And in the end, we launch the character by multiplying our current direction with the dash speed, or we can call it distance. Now, let's look at what's happening in our update best target function. Make sure we have something in the array to begin with, for loop through all of the array entries, and after, our next vector math function, vector length, basically asking, is our enemy close enough? A straight line between the player and the enemy. Lastly, we have get forward vector and dot product. The forward vector tells us what is my current facing. Think it like a very small cone of visibility in front of you. Then from it, we subtract our direction to enemy. The dot product is basically the cosine angle between these two normalized vectors. To clarify, values such as 1, it's exactly in front. 0, it's 90 degrees angle on the side. Negative, it's behind. This gives us the correct information to dash only when our target is relatively in our cone of range in the front, which is why I'm comparing it here with the 0.5 threshold. Now, to test everything, by combining these basic vector math functions, you get a functional dash. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.